Hello Fam Jam, how you guys are doing?
We hope you're doing good.
It's been quite some days we haven't posted any videos regarding our couple goals, and today we are in Goa and it's a couple's destination.
And also it is our anniversary destination.
Yes,
So today is the day when he proposed me and you guys saw the video. We are celebrating that here and we thought to take you along to show you how we are celebrating today. I have planned something for him which he actually asked for.
Which
and that you will see later.
I know we guys will be looking so bad because from yesterday we are traveling so far.
Oh, yesterday we went to South Goa, by the way. Look at my makeup today, but it is a night makeup, so I don't know why I'm wearing it in the morning time. Anyway, we both are so tired, super tired. Yesterday we went to South Goa. You will see everything in our vlog, upcoming vlogs. So
She is so much stammering because she is so much hungry and she wants to eat something now.
Yeah, also we haven't made video like this in so long.
Yeah, it's been so long. Not so long, I would say it's so many months, and we got held up with so many work. Kind of right now we are settling things now.
Yeah, and we are here for a month. In Goa for a month.
So let's go.
Fam Jam, our day started something like this, and today is our anniversary. We are going to celebrate that somehow. Yeah. We have a lot of plans, but we do not know how to execute
them.
them.
It's so sunny here actually compared to the day when we came. It was so much raining, and now
it is completely sunny.
Yeah.
And probably this is going to be the first video of Goa. So currently we are at a place where we are going to have some biryani because we are craving for it. And this is the second time we are visiting this.
Yeah, the reason is because of our village people serving food.
Yeah, so they are from Odisha and really kind, really good people. It is actually tasty. How's it? Here's my plate. I'm going to have some tasty dum biryani. And after this, we have some plan. Let's see how the day goes.
Yeah.
So see you guys later.
Time I will be standing here all through the night.
So after eating, we are at Baga right now, and our first activity is Jaggu wanted to make a tattoo, and you can see we are at InCraft Tattoo, and we have done all the consulting and everything. He is going to go for a design which you will see in some time, and let's see how it goes. This is the tattoo shop in Baga, and he has also worked with a lot of celebrities, as you can see here. This is the store, and let's go in.
I planned something which he definitely wants and which she daily wants.
Yeah, which is food. So we are going to a place where we're going to eat so much.
It's so famous here actually, and it is kind of a place where
celebrities and all go, and
it's
it is having a good vibe. Is grease them. You will see everything in the video.
So we expected the place to be this clean and without any crowd, as shown by Mr. Moses in this video. And by the way, he was so kind to provide us with this beautiful scene so that you all can see how it looks like, because we couldn't shoot any clean video like this. And he is the best YouTuber of Goa. You should definitely check out his channel anytime you're visiting Goa. I have talked with him. He's such a humble person. Now you will see how the Purple Martini was when we were there.
We are at Purple Martini. It's so crowded actually. We have to wait for our turn. Though we have reserved our table, but still it's taking time.
You guys can see how much crowded it is.
Look at this cool dress which I'm wearing. By the way, this dress is sponsored.
I can see it in your eyes. You've seen the moon and its darker side. I can feel the gravity, the forces pull between you and me. Yes, it's true, I'm falling hard for you, but I won't rush this love. I can wait even if it's hard to take. One moment is enough. I will be standing here right by
stars align.
So while he's getting his tattoo done, I just came for a walk. Let me tell you more about this dress which I'm wearing, this lovely dress. It also has 2 pockets in them, and this is by the Sasta Act, and everything they have is really sasta, so you can definitely go ahead and pick few clothes from them. They have everything exclusive, so this is going to be a single piece which they have, and I'll just put everything in the description. Go and check them out if you want to. Whenever you buy from them, do let me know, and you can also mention that you have checked it out with Namrata's video. That will be really helpful. Thank you so much. Also, when I'm for a walk alone, I obviously bought some goodies. These are few gifts for our family in Chennai and also for us, our new home in Hyderabad. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm very nervous as well. We haven't searched a house there yet. We have to. And I see a lot of fans in our video. By the way, Jaggu is not very much interested in making videos these days. He's not a very extrovert person. So making videos in the first place was a difficult job for him. And eventually he just stopped liking it as much. You will definitely see him in all the videos, but he may not interact as much as I do.
I can see it in your eyes. You've seen the moon and its darker side. I can feel the gravity, the positive.
That is this much done, and this guy is like. Outline is done.
I won't rush this love. I can wait even if it's hard to.
Location change. Looks so good so far.
I will be standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night, till the stars align.
I'm so dead.
You are actually screaming like that phoenix. Finally, we are home and we are so tired.
I feel so sleepy.
Just by sitting, we actually couldn't do our last planning
Yeah, it almost took 3 hours to
for
complete this.
doing the tattoo itself. So that's why we had to compromise. Yeah. Now we are going to unwrap this thing. So wait for the great reveal.
Yeah, we forgot to buy the ointment of this because it is already late and we reached around 12 o'clock now.
We didn't forget actually, we couldn't find any shop, any medical shop which was open. You can find any liquor shop open at this time. Any food shop also open this time.
Yeah,
but
Goa is a place where you just want to drink, man.
yeah, even the
really
food is like very costly, but the drinks are like very cheap. It's only, I think it's so good for the people who are alcoholic.
Oh, yeah.
But today at Purple Martini, the Purple Martini that we had, it didn't have any alcohol. We requested them not to put any alcohol for us. Wait, no, I'll reveal it to them.
I myself will do it.
Oh God. We won't even wait for.
Oh,
Oh wow.
is it visible?
Yeah, sit down. I'll just shoot it properly. The great reveal. Wow.
It is a phoenix bird.
Yeah, and actually it is like glaring a lot. If you can see this side, looks great. It's a really big one. and he's wearing my shirts.
So after thinking for 1 week straight, I went ahead and got 2 tattoos done for me, and I'm wearing the same dress because I don't know, I just like it. And this is the first tattoo reveal. It's a phoenix bird as well because I relate to it as well. And my second tattoo is really close to my heart because it's very special. It's my Shiro and Litu baby.
Even if it's hard to take.
This is the studio where I got this tattoo. It's Marcus Tattoo Studio in Arambol.
Be standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night. Till the stars align.
And then we had a beautiful, delicious candlelight dinner to end the day well, because the last time we were shooting, we couldn't, shoot our dinner time. It was past the time and we just had food at home.
Rush this love. I can wait even if it's hard.
With this, let us now close this video and let him admire his new tattoo. We'll see you guys in our next video. Hopefully we can make our marriage anniversary better than this. Anyway, we had a good time here. From 1 month, we are having a good time in Goa.
Yes.
So let's close this video. I don't even know how to shoot a mirror video, man. Okay. Bye-bye then. Please do like, share and subscribe, whatever. Just do it.
I am semi-nude.
Alright. See you guys and bye-bye.
So finally we reached Chennai and I got the product which I bought for our anniversary. She doesn't know what's inside. So it's going to be our anniversary gift. Actually, I planned to give this gift in Goa, but unfortunately the delivery guy
Enough of
messed up.
talking. Show me. Show
So
me.
this is the gift that I bought, and she doesn't know. She is not aware of what's inside, and it's completely a different thing.
Enough of vlogging. Now show me. Actually, we got this package. What did you say? It's a keyboard for your work.
So you guys can see how messed up our home is, and we just landed home. And happy anniversary, baby!
Thank you. What? Again, Carrot Lane.
Correctly, yeah, you see what is inside.
Why are you doing like this? Yaar? Where do we?
First, you see what is
We are
inside.
having so much of expense. We just coming from a 1 month trip and we are going to change our home and go to Hyderabad. So to shift. I don't know where you're getting so much of money. You're doing some other thing, is it? What is it?
You open.
I have everything as a jewelry, right?
But this thing you never had, or you never bought it.
Please, yaar, you're giving me a heart attack.
Hey, it is table, man.
It's. What is it, yaar? Yeah, I really didn't expect. I will see this later.
Later.
Every time, how do you
Letter.
make such gift boxes and everything? This is a letter? When did you do, yaar? I didn't even check his email and everything this time. As if I'm finding it out.
So this is a thing which I bought, and it's a platinum thing.
It's platinum?
Because we never.
Yeah, I never had anything
I
platinum.
don't know whether you guys can see it or not.
Yeah.
It's a small, tiny one, but
Yeah.
it's fine because she never got a platinum with a diamond. I already gave her a diamond and gold. And
Oh, it's so beautiful.
so how is it?
But there was no need of.
Then you give it. You don't want it.
I want it.
It's a letter that
I'm
I.
like sweating. We just reached home. That's what I'm thinking. Where did it? You light up my day and spark up my soul. Aww. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Acha.
Oh, it's so cute. How do you choose things which I really, really like?
I know you'll do overacting now.
Huh?
Do you really like it?
Obviously, yaar, you correctly know what is my type. See, this is how my choice is, and he gets exactly same type of, same themed jewelries. Hey, you should open a jewelry shop. You will know how to, get the customers' collection. Do I might actually cry? Why is it not focusing? Aww. Is it visible? Oh, thank you. Come here, na. Let me hug you at least. Thank you.